Are you tired of always being stuck in the friend zone, ignored, or rejected by women? Imagine a world where you effortlessly attract the women you desire, where they're the ones chasing after you. Today, I'm going to reveal the 9 masculine habits that flip the switch in a woman's mind, making her irresistibly attracted to you. First and foremost, you need to be non-needy. The more you crave her validation, the less attractive you become. Women have an uncanny ability to sense desperation, and it's an instant turnoff. Instead, you must cultivate a strong sense of self-worth. Understand that you are valuable, and no one woman's opinion can define your value. The men who succeed with women are those who hold a high opinion of themselves and are unaffected by the judgments of others. This self-assuredness makes you magnetic, drawing women towards you. The second habit is valuing your time. Women are naturally attracted to men who are busy and have a purpose in life. When you show that your time is precious, you convey that you have important things going on. Don't be available all the time. This makes the moments you do share more meaningful. Avoid constantly texting or calling her. Instead, invest your time wisely. When you finally do connect, she will appreciate and value that time more because it's not easily given. Remember, what comes cheap is never truly valued. Next, let's talk about playfulness. Regardless of age, women love to have fun. Being playful is a powerful tool in attracting women. Even if you consider yourself a serious person, it's important to lighten up. Show her that you can enjoy life, laugh, and not take everything so seriously. This doesn't mean you need to be a comedian, but rather have a lighthearted approach. A playful demeanor can break down barriers and create a joyful and attractive vibe. Another crucial habit is sticking to your guns. This means standing firm in your beliefs and values. Do not bend your reality to please her. Women respect men who are confident in their own opinions. This doesn't mean you have to argue or belittle her views, but rather share your perspective with confidence and let things unfold naturally. Men who are unwavering in their beliefs are seen as strong and dependable, qualities that women find incredibly attractive. Being bold is another habit that cannot be overstated. Boldness is a key trait that sets successful men apart. Women often wonder why they're attracted to bad boys or jerks. The answer lies in their boldness. These men go after what they want without hesitation. They make the first move, they flirt confidently, and they escalate physically without apology. Being bold means taking risks and not fearing rejection. The truth is, those who are bold experience failure, but they also reap the biggest rewards. This daring attitude is magnetic and highly attractive. Now, let's talk about making her feel special. Most men give generic compliments that don't stand out. Instead, focus on giving genuine, specific compliments that make her feel truly seen and appreciated. Notice something unique about her and express your appreciation for that. Avoid common compliments about her looks, and instead, acknowledge her intellect, creativity, or kindness. This approach makes her feel special and valued, not just another pretty face. Predictability can kill attraction. Women love excitement and novelty. Being unpredictable keeps the relationship dynamic and intriguing. Avoid falling into routines. Change up your conversations, surprise her with different types of dates, and give her space to miss you. This unpredictability keeps her on her toes and maintains her interest. It's about keeping things fresh and exciting, ensuring that she never knows what to expect next. Another powerful habit is inspiring her. Show her that you believe in yourself and your future. When you are confident in your path, you inspire her to be her best self. Encourage her ambitions and dreams. This doesn't require grand gestures, just a genuine belief in both your own and her potential. By being a source of inspiration, you foster deep admiration and attraction. Lastly, have clear expectations and boundaries. Don't accept bad behavior just because she's attractive. Establish your standards and make them known. Women will test your boundaries to see if you will stand firm. When you enforce your boundaries, you command respect. Without respect, attraction cannot be sustained. Be clear about what you want and what you won't tolerate. This will not only earn her respect, but also maintain her attraction to you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my new videos. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos.